Hi there, this is Leanna with tipbee.com, and today we're going to take a look at FlickStackr on the iPad. FlickStackr is a Flickr application that lets you browse Flickr photos. So it allows for multiple accounts, which I don't have both of my accounts on here, but I could if I wanted. I can view my photo stream just as I would on the web. I can view my sets, my favorites. So let's go ahead and look at one of these. Here's a cute raccoon. And so this lets me see two panels. I can look at the photo, and then I can continue browsing through a list of my favorites in case I just want to quickly look at a different one. Now I can click the photo, tap the photo, and now all of the distractions go away, and I can really view the photo for what it is. And yeah, it's much nicer. Let's see if I can get a landscape photo in here. Here we go. So landscape takes up the full screen. If I want to find out more info about the photo, I tap this up here on the right. And here I am given, here's the title, here's the caption, here are all the comments. I can even add a comment. I won't, but I could. I can even look at the EXIF data of the photo. Oh, except this photo doesn't have any information, so that was a bummer. Let's find one that does. Let's look at this one. Oh my goodness. I just looked at one a second ago that did, so I swear this feature works. Here we go. So now I can see everything about the photo, which is nice. Let's see here. What else can we look at? I can browse by my contacts. And if I pick someone, I can then view all their stuff just as I could with mine. Photo stream, sets, favorites, contacts, and I can search their photo stream. Our next thing is, well, I can also search by groups. It's similar to contacts. Is Explore. So Explore is one of the features of Flickr that I find that I really like, and FlickStackr has done a great job of letting you view explored photos. So let's go ahead and pick one. I view them just as I would be able to on, as before. I did not show you this feature earlier, but I can go ahead and hit play, and I can have all of these photos shown as a slideshow. And I could have done this with my own photo stream, with anybody's photo stream, with my favorites. And I really like this feature because it kind of works like a screensaver or a digital photo, a digital frame to view photographs. And if you have a nice dock for your iPad, this would be a great way to view photos when you're not actually using your iPad. And if you tap, it should stop. If I go like this, I can view by thumbnail without actually seeing the titles. There's also a thumbnail view like this, which is also nice. One other thing you can do, and I've actually used this several times. Let's see, which one here looks kind of interesting. Let's go with this one. Let's say I really like this photo. Here's what I can do with it. I can send it to a stack. I can open in the browser. I can add to my photo library. And this is the feature I've used multiple times. I find a picture I like, so I add it to my library, and this is how I am collecting various backdrops that I like for my iPad. So I love that feature. You can share via email, add to your favorites, or visit that user's photo stream of the photo that you're looking at. So it's pretty nifty. I can view recents from everybody. I can view stacks, which I don't use, so I'm sorry. And I can search. And I can search photos, people, or groups, just as I could on Flickr.com, and sort them by relevant, recent, or interesting. So let's go ahead and actually try searching for someone. Let's search for our editor-in-chief, Dieter. I believe his account is Backlon. Search. And there's his... Well, that's interesting. I think that's a bug. Yay, we found a bug. It's just showing his little avatar. Huh. Strange. I'm sorry about that. Let's try that again. Let's not do the capital. Oops, I misspelled it. Let's not do capital version. Oh, it's because I was searching for photos, so it wasn't a bug. That's good to know. Let's search for people instead of for photos. There we go. There he is. And there is his photo stream. So, I think that pretty much covers it. That has been FlickStackr, or FlickStackr, excuse me, for iPad. I really like this app. I think it has been done well. And there is one feature that's missing, you probably noticed, and that's that I cannot upload photos with FlickStackr to Flickr. Personally, I don't see this as a hindrance, as I have had no reason to want to upload photos from my iPad. However, I do understand that this can definitely be a turnoff to some people. So if you're looking for an application that lets you upload photos to Flickr, FlickStackr is not for you. At least not for now. I don't know if they plan to include that in an update in the future, but as of now, you cannot do that. But if you're looking for a great application to browse photos on Flickr, FlickStackr does a great job at it. So, there you go. That has been FlickStackr on iPad. Thank you.